In this video, I've got one of the best scalping strategies I've come across for intermediate traders. This strategy is easy to use if you have a little bit of experience with trading tools, and you can apply it to almost any market. Now, before we get started with the video, don't forget to like the video as it helps me out a lot. Alright, without further ado, let's get started with the video. So this strategy uses two free TradingView indicators. The first indicator we will be using is called the Chandelier Exit Indicator, and the second indicator is the Moving Average Exponential Indicator. Now, after I explain how the strategy works, I'll backtest it 100 times with an initial account size of $1,000 with a 2 to 4 risk ratio. For the backtesting, I'll be using the price of Nasdaq 100 on the 15-minute time frame. Now to start, let's add our indicators to the chart. Clicking on the Indicators tab and searching for Chandelier Exit by Everget. The Chandelier Exit Indicator is a trend-based indicator. It uses the ATR value to determine whether the market is in upward or downward trends. This indicator also gives us long and short position entries, which is obviously very valuable. Basically, it's an all-in-one indicator. Now we do need to change some settings on this indicator, so clicking on the settings icon, we can head over to the input section and then change the ATR period from 22 to 16. Then change the ATR multiplier from 3 to 2. These are the best settings when using this indicator for our type of strategy. Now let's add our second indicator to the chart. Clicking on the Indicators tab and searching for Moving Average Exponential. After you add the indicator to your chart, it should look something like this. The Moving Average Exponential is known as the EMA, and the EMA is a technical chart indicator that tracks the price of the market over a period of time. In our case, we're going to be using it to identify whether the market is bullish or bearish. And before we start with the strategy rules, we do need to tweak some of the EMA indicator settings. So clicking on the settings icon and heading over to the input section. We can change the length from 9 to 200 and then click OK. Alright, now that we have everything set up, we can start with the strategy rules. So the rules for entering a long position are as follow. First, we need the price to be trading above the EMA blue line. Then we need a buy signal to be issued by our other indicator. Here the price is trading above the blue line and the indicator gave us a signal to enter a long position, so we can enter a long position here. Placing a buy order on the close of our trigger candlestick and setting our stop loss at the green line. Then we can place our take profit at 2 times the risk. Now here is one more long position example. The price is trading above the blue line and we've been given a long position signal from our indicator. So with both our conditions met, we can enter a long position here. Again, setting our stop loss on the green line and our take profit at 2 times the risk. So this was another profitable trade. Now let's move on to short positions. As you can probably guess, the rules to enter a short position are almost the opposite. First, we need to see the price action trading under the blue EMA line, and we need a short position signal from the Chandelier indicator. As you can see here, the price is moving under the blue line and we have been given a short signal here by the indicator. So we can enter a short trade here. Placing a sell order on the close of our trigger candlestick and setting our stop loss at the red line. Then we'll place our take profit at 2 times the risk. And just like that, we hit our take profit. Now I'm going to show you one more example before moving on to the backtest. So here we see the price is trading under the blue line and we have a short position signal issued. With both our conditions met, we can enter a short position here, placing our stop loss at the red line and our take profit at 2 times the risk. So this was another profitable trade. And hopefully now you have a clear understanding on how to enter a position and set your stop loss and take profit target. Now I'm going to go ahead and backtest the strategy 100 times to bring you the true results. Okay, I just finished backtesting for the strategy 100 times and here are the results. I was able to find these setups within a 3-month period and managed to achieve a 65% win rate. I also managed to increase my account size by 236%. Now, one thing to note here is my account size grew substantially since the risk to reward ratio was 2 to 4, meaning I earned a lot more for each winning trade. I also had 65 wins against just 35 losses and the profit factor was 2.79. Overall, this strategy shows amazing potential. I definitely recommend trying it out on other markets and timeframes to see if you can optimize it further. But with that, this video is done. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe. But with that, I'll see you in the next one.